Ngisaya esitolo ngisayothenga isitolo guys ngizonibona soon. Ngiyahamba ngisazohamba kunali igate la ngisazohamba yo ngisahamba nazi iy'ntaba zisemzumbe Mzumbe. I'm going Mzumbe. Uma esitolo yo ilanga lingishiseni laze langishisa ilanga. Ekhaya nalekhaya lami lapha phesheya isikole sami engangifunda kusona ngangifunda lana-ke bafethu ngangifunda grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 grade 4 grade 5 grade 6 grade 7 ngangifunda la isikole sami yabo nje ngangifunda eduze nje ngangisuka la esikoleni nake ekhaya lapho duze ngiyongena-ke manje ekhaya egeyithini yabothi ngangifunda eduze kanjani kade ngisanda kudlula esikoleni nje sengiyongena ekhaya ngangithi ngikhumbula kade ngiyisile esikoleni ngithatha umuntu ngiyamsaba uma sekugoduka after school kuyobonwa yimina kuqala ekhaya indlela engiyigijima ngizoma egeyithini lindebe ngivulele naku ekhaya ngiphuma lapha phesheya kule mizi lapha kade ngiyothenga ngihamba egcekeni ekhaya yabo sengifikile ngizokhuphula isitebhisi.
So anyway guys, for those who don't know what's going on, so yesterday Usnem Saleko posted a vlog and people started talking guys. The people noticed yo, something is going on. Mzumbe is no longer the same. It looks like Usne, she's all alone guys. The wives are gone. Umangwabe yes she revealed Panagotani's temple and cut. She got herself a new house. They thought Maine she's around, but looks like in Agna Mundu the yard it is not clean. A lot of things happening gule video yesterday guys, and people are saying what umakhwela uhlala kuphi ngoba yeah we can see you are all alone. Iyathusa eMzumbe guys. I don't think Usne can survive alone. We know that Lipubezi lasemzumbe he's no longer staying there. He has his own house. It was revealed after that accident. It happened I think 2 months ago. There were people who went to Mpumelelo's house, pretend to be police officer or investigator, something like that. They took 30,000 rand. Umasamsaleko came out and explained the situation in Mpumelelo. So people now know Mpumelelo is no longer staying in Mzumbe. For that, people were blaming Mpumelelo for the wives to move outside Mzumbe. Guys, everyone has left Mzumbe. It's only Sne. I don't know, maybe the security, whatever is going on, but you guys, kuya tusa Mzumbe. So people are saying a lot of stuff. Go my comments. So people are saying a lot of stuff, guys. Hopefully we're gonna find out on Tandiness Temple season 9 what is going on lapana Mzumbe. And people are asking themselves, what is nay? You could have just finished your matric. You are not staying far from school, because you can see lapana gule video we are convinced what to tell grade ban until grade ban, and people are saying what's eyeballs nay. So people are saying what's maybe what grades us nay. So it is what it is. Anyway guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, it, so like it, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care. I love you. Bye.